Find features that distinguish it from other brands for BEACONDESI portable multifunction jump starter, tire inflator, power bank, handy flashlight, battery booster jump box tools. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because powerful jump starter equipped with a rechargeable lithium battery for wireless jump starting of cars, SUVs, trucks, motorcycles, and boats. Wireless tire inflator built-in air compressor to inflate tires without external power, suitable for vehicles, bicycles, sports balls, and more. Portable power bank functions as a mobile power bank to charge smartphones, tablets, and other electronic devices, ideal for emergencies and road trips. LED flashlight with multiple modes: bright LED flashlight with standard, strobe, and SOS modes for nighttime visibility and signaling in emergencies. Compact and portable design, lightweight and easy to carry, fits in your car, toolbox, or backpack for quick access when needed. Compact and portable design, lightweight and easy to carry, fits in your car, toolbox, or backpack for quick access when needed. Automatic shut-off for tire inflation to prevent overinflation and ensure safety. Versatile emergency tool, ideal for jump-starting vehicles, inflating tires, charging devices, and providing light in emergency situations. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.